This is a 360 video. It means that you can look in any direction by moving your finger on your phone or your mouse or your VR unit, and you will see what I saw in any direction. Usually with any camera you would have to look in the same direction that I'm pointing, but with 360 you can look in any direction. Try it on your phone, your computer, or with your VR and look in any direction to see what I am seeing. You may have to look at this video several times to pick up, because when you're looking in one direction you're missing stuff in another direction. Enjoy. Hey folks, we are here in Gulf City, that's south of Trinidad, an island in the Caribbean, and we are walking around the Gulf City Mall on the outside, on the road, on the public roads. We are approaching a traffic light that isn't working, and you can see that there are no police around. So some of the guys that normally wash your window or sell stuff have decided to take the initiative and direct traffic, and are doing a good job. I actually have footage where they are not there and there's absolute chaos at that intersection. Now besides that, this Gulf City Mall has been here for quite a long while. It has always gone under refurbishment and is one of the nicer malls in Trinidad and Tobago. From the outside you could see there are a lot of junk food places, and even across the street there's Fun Station, there's that place that eats birds and so forth. So you can have a look around. I'm not going to really be talking throughout this video. This is for you to look around, and as I'm walking you can look in any direction and see what I saw. Now take note, you may have to watch this video many times, because as I walk things are happening in various directions. So look at it over and over, and maybe you'll be able to pick up some of the things that I saw in various directions. Enjoy so much, and please do like, subscribe, and most of all share. Let your friends know about JB's Man Cave so they could come and subscribe. We still are very far away from 10,000 subscribers, and with your help I know I can get there. Thanks so much.